You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name that is indeed confusing, and it has different pronunciations. This is the name of a genus. This is a scientific name of a tropical American orchid or orchids. If you want to learn more plant names, flower names that are confusing, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. There are different ways of pronouncing it. Cattleya. Alright, Cattleya is one way. You can also say it as Cattleya or Cattleya. Alright, so three different ways. Let's summarize it again. You've heard them. Cattleya, Cattleya, or Cattleya. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.